regular black trash can.
Yeah, and then
$15 one from Walmart.
yeah, just so you know, because that's all we have. So sometimes,
It's a compact.
no problem.
That's messed up.
We gotta get ready to go. You changed your mind about the computer?
I'm recording a video. Hello guys, so today I went to the recycling center and I got all of this stuff, so I'm really excited. The first thing I got was this Gateway 2000. Now I have footage. This isn't in the footage because I had already gotten it before I started. But it's a Gateway 2000 Pentium 2, and the front comes off. So, as you can see, this piece comes off. I'm not really sure if it used to hinge or if it used to slide, but unfortunately, this is missing a hard drive. I haven't tested any of this. This was just the PC. It's missing the hard drive. There were a bunch of monitors that could have potentially went with this. I didn't grab any of the monitors. Then, I got this iPad 1st Gen 64 gig cellular. The screen is messed up, and it's missing the cellular antenna cover, so it's pretty messed up. I got this full compact desk Pro. The only thing it's missing is the monitor. Yet again, I don't want to take any CRT monitors, but yeah, it's pretty messed up. It's really dusty inside, but I cleaned it all out. The keyboard is severely yellowed, but it's just a normal membrane keyboard. It does sound very nice. And this compact mouse also came with it too. The ball inside is in good shape, I guess. And I got a boxed eMachines keyboard. These are all PS2 keyboard and mice stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy with what I got today. All of this stuff is actually in pretty good shape, and I want to thank the people at the recycling center for letting me have all this, because it's an amazing haul. I love how that space bar feels, but this is just a quick... Alright, I love that. This was just a quick little video on what I got from the recycling center, and thank you for watching, I guess, and I'll see you guys the next time I record a video.